Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! So for the first step of drawing our chameleon today, we're going to begin by making 3 circles. One that will be filled in black, and then 2 that will be empty. These 3 circles will help make the eye of our chameleon. Nice job! Now right above the eye that we just made, we're going to begin to add in a C-like shape, but the C-like shape will be upside down. On the right side of the C-like shape, we're going to add in a triangle. This will almost look like a shark fin. Now moving over to the left, we're going to begin to make the front of the chameleon's face. Fantastic! We're not going to finish the face just yet, we'll come back on a little bit later. Now right below, in the center of the page, we're going to begin to make 2 feet of our chameleon. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this video of our chameleon today, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you updated on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. So far this is coming along very well. Now in between those 2 feet that we just made, we're going to make it appear as if our chameleon is sitting on a branch. Be sure to stick around until the very end so that we can cut our drawing together. Next, we're going to go up to the top of that big triangle-like shape that we previously made, and we're going to make one curved line that will go all the way down to the back of the branch. Awesome job! Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Now right below that curved line that we just made, we're going to begin to make 4 triangle-like shapes. These stripes will help add detail to the back of our chameleon. Now let's move over to the left hand side of the page. Over here we're going to begin to add in a line underneath of the face. This line will help separate the colors that we choose to color in our chameleon at the end of the video. Now if you'd like a moment to catch up or to simply take a break, then go ahead and pause the video right here. Now since the entire bottom of our chameleon will be one color, we're going to go ahead and make an outline on the bottom right now. Awesome, now we just have a couple more steps before our drawing is completed. Now let's move over to the face on the left hand side of the page, and we're going to add in a smile. We'll do this by adding in a simple curve-like shape. Now last but not least, over on the right hand side of the page, beneath the branch, we're going to make the tail of our chameleon. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and if you like videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the newest drawings every single day. Now let's go ahead and color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.